Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Soundcore Liberty for Pro headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily find your headphones using your application. At first we have to tap on this gear icon in the top right corner and now we have to scroll down until we see Find Device here. We have to tap on it and now we can play our case. As you can see, it works. Left earbud, but it has to be out of the case, and the right one. So let me test it. I will place the right one here and the left one here. Both earbuds are now emitting a sound, as you can see. The right one is here, as you can see, and we found it, and the left one is here actually, and we can find it too. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.